Every transformation begins where the earth gives its first answer. Quality is chosen long before machines begin.
Precision starts with the first cut.
Handled with care, value is preserved. Consistency is built through repetition.
From soil, the journey continues. Clean inputs protect every stage ahead. Preparation begins before transport. Nothing wasted, everything directed.
Balance between speed and care.
Standards are enforced at the source. Manual effort meets machinery.
Movement binds every stage together.
The road takes over.
Stability protects the journey.
Harvest becomes cargo.
Comes into focus.
Every entry is controlled.
Measurement ensures accountability. Transport hands over to process. Defines the flow. Paths are engineered, not accidental.
Clean process starts with people.
Eyes. Raw form enters refinement. The process officially begins. Cleaning prepares the surface for accuracy. Uniformity enables precision. Excess is removed, purpose remains. Uniform contact ensures uniform results. Byproducts are managed, not ignored.
Human judgment reinforces automation.
Only compliant material proceeds. Mechanical contact refines cleanliness. Replaces assumption. Uniformity simplifies processing. Small corrections prevent large errors. Dry inputs protect downstream equipment. streams combine into one flow.
Approval authorizes transformation.
Clean material is ready for change. Transformation begins with separation. Uniform cuts create predictable outcomes. Structure is revealed before refinement.
Waste is separated at the source.
Human oversight maintains trust. Only what matters proceeds. Outer layers give way. Reshapes texture. The form approaches its final state. Structure gives way to motion. Force reshapes matter. Flow replaces form. Texture defines quality. Heat and motion combine. Control replaces guesswork. Consistency is built under pressure.
Transformation is complete.
Automation begins where consistency is proven.
Data governs motion.
Efficiency adapts instantly.
Defines precision.
Automation delivers consistency.
Speak one language.
Exceptions are isolated.
Preparation accelerates closure. Locks structure in place.
Stability is engineered, not assumed.
Preparation continues beyond sealing.
Identity is applied precisely.
Details are confirmed instantly.
Traceability is permanent.
Integrity is verified, not hoped for. Uniform presentation matters.
Human confirmation completes automation.
For transport.
Protection is added.
Verification stands between process and promise.
Containment is scrutinized closely.
Quantity meets control. Traceability travels with every unit. Accuracy extends to logistics. Efficiency builds scale. Stability prepares for distance. Identity follows scale. Preservation extends shelf life.
Security ensures arrival.
Prepared product meets transport.
The final movement begins.
And this is how modern factories produce pumpkin paste from start to finish.
Readiness waits on demand.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.